In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SHEIN game access issues and restore your account features. If your SHEIN game is not working properly or your account seems restricted for no clear reason, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try before reaching out to support. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and practical way so you can follow along easily. First, open the SHEIN app and go to Settings. From there, look for the Clear Cache option and use it. This helps remove temporary stored data that may be causing glitches or loading problems inside the app. After clearing the cache, don't stop there. Force close the app completely so it is no longer running in the background, then reopen it. This gives the app a fresh restart and can often fix access issues that are caused by outdated session data or minor app errors. Next, take a moment to review your recent account activity. One common reason an account gets flagged is unusual login behavior. For example, logging into multiple accounts on the same device or while connected to the same Wi-Fi network can sometimes trigger security protections. If that applies to your situation, it's a good idea to avoid switching between accounts and to use your account in a more consistent way going forward. This helps reduce the chance of automated security systems treating the activity as suspicious. Another step that may help is making a small purchase on the account. In some cases, accounts that have been inactive for a while may lose access to certain game features or appear limited. Completing a small order can help show that the account is active and being used normally. If you try this, keep in mind that access may not return immediately. In many cases, full game access is restored only after the order has shipped, so you may need to be a little patient. If you've already tried these steps and the problem still hasn't gone away, the next move is to contact customer support. Go to the help center inside the SHEIN app or website and submit a support ticket. When you do, explain the issue clearly and mention that you've already cleared the cache, restarted the app, reviewed account activity, and checked for anything that might have triggered a security flag. Giving support a clear summary can make the process smoother and help them investigate faster. That's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have the best chance of getting your SHEIN game access back and resolving the issue as quickly as possible.